Hello, today we will guide you through how to use Lipi Scripting on GoCharting. To begin, open GoCharting and head to the Trading Hub. This is the starting point for accessing the charting workspace where Lipi Scripting is available. If you are new to the platform, this area is where you can launch the main trading interface and work with charts, indicators, and scripts in one place. Once you are on the Trading Hub page, click on Launch GoCharting Free. This will open the charting terminal so you can start working directly inside the platform. Depending on your browser or connection, it may take a moment to load, so give it a few seconds if needed. After the terminal opens, look toward the bottom part of your screen and click on Script. This section is where GoCharting lets you manage and build custom scripts. If you do not see it right away, take a moment to scan the lower panel carefully, since this is where the scripting tools are typically grouped. Next, click on New. This creates a fresh script file so you can start building your own Lipi script from scratch. Creating a new script helps keep your work organized, especially if you plan to test multiple ideas or versions later. You will then be prompted to enter a script name. Type the name you want to use, then click Create. It is a good idea to choose a clear and descriptive name so you can easily recognize the script later. For example, you might name it based on the indicator or strategy you intend to build. After that, click on the script you just created. This opens the editor, where you can begin writing your code manually. If you prefer extra help while building, there is also an option to ask ChatGPT beside the Docs button. That can be useful if you need help generating code structure, understanding syntax, or speeding up the scripting process. Whether you write the code yourself or use assistants, this is the stage where your Lipi script takes shape. Once you are done editing your script, click Save, and then click Apply. Saving makes sure your changes are stored, while applying the script puts it onto the chart or activates it in the workspace so you can review the result. If something does not look right, you can go back into the script, make adjustments, save again, and reapply. And that is how to use Lipi Scripting on GoCharting. Follow these steps carefully and you will be ready to create, edit, and apply your own scripts with confidence.